Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bioscience Guide. Today the topic is thyroid gland of human being. Its structure, hormones, disorder and functions of T3 and T4. Thyroid gland is the largest endocrine gland of human being. It is bilobed gland situated on either side of the trachea, just behind the thyroid cartilage. It looks like a butterfly in shape. The structure of thyroid gland. Internally, the thyroid gland is composed of a large number of thyroid follicles. Each thyroid follicle is lined with cuboidal epithelium tissue. In between the thyroid follicles, the parathyroid follicles or C cells are present. The thyroid follicle cells secretes thyroid hormone and the parafollicular cells secretes calcitonin. Hormones of thyroid gland, tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine, are secreted by thyroid follicular cells, and calcitonin, which is secreted by C cells or parafollicular cells. Functions of T3 and T4 hormones. They regulate the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. They also promote the growth of human body. The disorder of T3 and T4 hormones in human being, hypothyroidism or hyposecretion of thyroid gland, and hyperthyroidism or hypersecretion of thyroid gland. Hypothyroidism, it is due to the hyposecretion of thyroid gland. Hypothyroidism causes cretinism, myxoedema, goiter, and Hashimoto disease. Cretinism, person who is mentally and physically retarded in growth in childhood. Blood pressure, heart rate, body temperature, basal metabolic rate, which are lower than normal in child. Myxoedema, it is the disorder occurs in adult person who has fatty and sluggish appearance, skin which is puffiness due to the fat and mucus deposition, and looks dull, lack of alertness and intelligence. The metabolic rate, heart rate, body temperature, basal metabolic rate are also lower than normal. Goiter, it is the deficiency of iodine in food particles. It leads an enlargement of thyroid gland and there is swelling of the neck region. Hashimoto disease, in which the person due to low thyroid secretion and the thyroid gland is destroyed by autoimmunity. Hypersecretion of thyroid gland or hyperthyroidism. It causes exophthalmic goiter or Graves' disease. Exophthalmic goiter or Graves' disease. It causes goiter along with bulging of eyeballs called exophthalmic goiter. It increases heartbeat, body temperature, sweating, palpitation, and basal metabolic rate than normal. The person who is physically and mentally restlessness and nervousness. It also loss of body weight due to the rapid metabolism. Calcitonin. It is the secretion of C cells of thyroid gland. The functions of calcitonins are as calcium level, which is increased in the blood, and the deposition of calcium on the bones. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to my channel Bioscience Guide to stay updated with more biology content. Thank you for watching.